just got enough. Whoa, there it is, man. There it is. Wow, look at this. So we just cut the A pillar off. I'm using the original firewall, and I'm going to use the A pillar off of the 58. So we should be able to get in here and weld it in. I'm going to leave this brace in here, peel this off, and brace it in. Looks like it's starting to become something. No.
All right. Tell us what you're doing, man.
All right. Well, now what I'm trying to accomplish here is I want to take the radiator support off of this 03, but keep the support that holds the radiator and condenser in place, and take the old radiator support out of the 58 motor compartment, and hopefully we can find a way to weld this to that radiator support somehow, make it one piece. That's the plan. So come on, batteries. All right, man. So I think that's it for today. Y'all saw how we're tearing it apart. I'm going to finish taking it apart. That way, next episode, we can get straight to cutting this firewall and floorboard out. And once we do, and then that's when it really gets exciting. Will it not fit? We'll know soon. So please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, take care of one another. See y'all.